Crop rotation, not a recommendation, but an agronomic imperative. Ignoring this system is a major cause of yield decline, soil degradation, and increased plant protection costs. If you want to preserve soil fertility, control diseases and pests, and achieve predictable results, your crop rotation must be clearly planned. In this video, you will find 5 key principles to help you build an effective crop rotation, avoid common mistakes, and consistently achieve yield increases. Alternate crops from different botanical families. Do not plant the same crop 2 years in a row. The soil needs to rest from each specific crop. After sunflowers, grains are preferable. After corn, legumes or spring crops. This helps prevent the build-up of crop-specific diseases and pests. It reduces the risks of toxic effects from root and crop residues. It stimulates natural soil fertility restoration. Do not return a crop to the same field sooner than every 3 years. Sunflower should be returned after 3-4 years. Rapeseed no sooner than after 4. This reduces the soil's infectious load, decreases the need for pesticides and fungicides, and also allows for breaking the life cycle of pests. Consider the type of root system. Alternating crops with different root system types ensures even utilization of soil layers. This prevents localized soil depletion, promotes soil structure and aeration, and supports water balance and biological activity. For example, corn with deep root system, soybeans with medium, and barley with shallow, and rapeseed, wheat, legumes. Incorporate cover crops, an investment in soil health. Cover crops are plants specifically sown in fields to enrich the soil with organic matter. After reaching the desired stage of vegetation, cover crops are not harvested but plowed under or chopped and incorporated into the soil. This allows you to enrich the soil with organic matter, activate soil microflora, improve soil structure, moisture retention and aeration, reduce weed pressure and prevent the development of soil-borne diseases. We recommend using the following cover crops: white mustard grows quickly, suppressed nematodes and pathogens. Phacelia, a versatile cover crops, have no common pests with main crops. Lupine, vetch and alfalfa accumulate nitrogen, improve nitrogen nutrition for the subsequent crop. Plan your crop rotation at least 3 years in advance. Crop rotation is a strategy that must consider the market, logistics, soils and climate. What needs to be considered? Alternation by botanical family, economic feasibility of the crop, profitability margin, availability of machinery and labor resources, possibility of integrating interseasonal crops or cover crops. In conclusion, crop rotation is a vital tool for long-term profitability. It helps avoid soil degradation and prevents losses due to the diseases. Plan everything in advance, and the land will reward you with high yields.